size. I thought it too in the clip for me, you give your them. Your friend try run, but me kill your friend. Check that something me no send.
My God, no. Me have to laugh. You get me? Me excited, you know, but to the amount of people we already excited, I just have to take it easy. Because my subscriber them and Mr. T, you know, they on board this morning, you know, say, yo, I go on. Remember say the whole of the review them when I'm telling about, remember say I may predict this a warrior, you know. I me telling you what I go on. Remember say me telling you say, Jamila go beat Tamale and badly, man. Jamila go beat Tamale so till it is unbelievable. Me not telling you, when me I say now, when me I repeat, man, me not telling you now, the whole of my review them, man. Me I tell Tamale say right now, Tamale, John, you have to load it. Tamale, load the warrior. You can't manage him. He have lyrics more you. He educated more you. Jamila clash you from him heart. Cause Jamil love music more than Uno. Uno no love music in a youth. Uno just sing music for hype. Because you don't have tattoo on your skin. I Uno call yourself demon. Tamale, you cannot manage Jamil. Because Jamil a clash you from him heart. Jamil lyrics them a come from him belly bottom. You just a do lyrics because of your tattoo them. And you want the hype. Jamil a do music in a real life youth. You get me? Yeah, man. A backstage up a London, man. Last week, Saturday. We there on a backstage, I take some picture. And me I said to Jamil, say, yo, remember to tell the boy, I said, Sean Kingston did I rub him down. And Jamil just look for me so and laugh. Me not nothing more to say. Me don't talk. I got to put on nothing. That is song they write, that is song they write to England. And fall up and put in a back pocket. And land go process it. And ready me. Tamale, you can't manage him, dog. Trust me. Everybody already listen to the song already. And everybody already play the song. And everybody already know the song. You get me? So, when me telling you say, Jamila go beat off Tamale tattoo them off on his skin. You not take it for joke. Remember, say me telling you in the last 2 review before he left England. Say him a go beat off Tamale tattoo them off on his skin. And you know but I say him a go beat them off. He just turn a film way as you know. But me know say that a go on. Instead of tattoo them on his face, him a go knife them out. You get me? Tamale, you can't manage him, dog. He sip like okra. Trust me. And okra, then call him a Birmingham. Okra. He simple. Jamil can build a song in less than 3 seconds, youth. Right now, if you answer this song at Tamale, it'll take you 1.5 weeks, 1 whole week. And you can't find the lyrics them like him. He a punch, dog. Right now, enough artists right now. Afraid I'm like puss. I talk like man like papi. right now, Gully gotta rejoice. Gully gotta rejoice. Gully gotta jump in himself and I say, Bumbo clot. And something come train the boy till the boy get tough. Boy graduate from university and graduate so wicked. Yeah, man.
If I know MVP, pussy you no trend. Post me fire 22, make it your dead.
I remember me telling you the other day say. Every time when Tamale want a hype, you get me? He have to stick by MVP. He have to make trouble with MVP. Every time when Tamale name a call on YouTube, he have to do something about MVP. Alkaline or Jamila or Mavado. I'm not telling you already, man. So we already write the song for England and send it down, dog. You see the last review when we do? Tuesday when Jamil left on the plane. Monday when Jamil left on the plane. Monday reach Tuesday. Monday when he left on the plane. You know see me do the last review Monday. You know see me I tell you no. You know you me that tell you no say man you know you me I tell you no say yo Jamil go land and deal him wicked. You get me? The man counteract the song where Tamale sing beat, you know, man. The man counteract every word in his song with Tamale sing, you know, man. Tommy Lee can't find the lyrics them like Jamil, you know. Tommy Lee, you lose it, yo. Your career lost. You see Jamil a while till he catch you, yo. You get me? You saw like a song the way you talk about foul a yard and no hard for catch. Dog. You can't come with nothing like that, Tommy Lee. You have to come with things personal. You have to come with things more harm and danger. Yo, you know so Jamila deal with you, youth. Jamila deal with you wicked. Crab up.
Me you a priest so me kill a dead. Pussy them now get no date. Throw them a throw bait. Them a dance all fishermen.
All family, you not get no date. That a true. That hurt your heart. Right there so. And you throw bait. That means you dance all fisherman. And from you throw bait. That mean Tommy and fish. Because you can't throw bait out in a sea. And bait in a net or anything. You have to bait fish to catch them. So John know Tommy, you lose it, dog. Me predict this for a long time. When enough people underestimate Jamil. What Jamil do right now, enough people surprised. They cannot believe. Me no surprised because I know him can do it. I'm telling you from the last 4 review from Jamil to the second song. From the first song Jamil do before into the second song. Me already telling you. I don't know to people. Me subscriber them I don't know. I don't know me already telling you. Jamil they have the ability and they have the potential. Jamil simple. You get me? Jamil dangerous. Jamil do music from him belly bottom. Jamila Onglo one of the young artists right now in a Jamaica where I spit lyrics from him belly. Wanna listen Jamil carefully. Wanna not listen Jamil song them. Wanna not listen to the rhythm. Wanna just penetrate the words them. After Jamil and say if you no can feel them I come from the belly. Tamilia clash with Jamil for the hype thing. For people to talk about it. Saying bad in the lyrics and this and that. Jamil clash him in a real international music world. You saw the last part I sang when the man say a moment of silence. You saw the part where the man tell the man saying I sang say lyrics not done yet. You can't find lyrics and war not done yet. Tamili, you can't manage Jamil. Tamili, you can't manage Jamil. I'm going to have to explain again. I'm going to tell you again. So you know what you do? You just throw in the white towel, brother. And just save a little bit of your career. Because you see the next song Jamila come with you. My DJ half it. And sing half it. Remember me tell you.
What's the milk with the binelli? Breed your child, but I you she give the belly. Your last youth favor me. Tell it him and Satan afraid of me.
All them something that personal, you know, man. All them something that burn me, no, me man attack, you know. You get me? Big up yourself, Jamil. Big up yourself, great man. Big up yourself, Mavado. Big up yourself, Alkaline. Big up yourself, Flex. Big up yourself, Straight Cross. Big up the producer them. Big up the whole gully side. Big up the MVP camp. We're very proud of ourselves. We never stress out. And people stress out over we. When we are build and we are relax. And then here we not do music. Then come run up in our thing and come say with this and say with that. And when we get all out and get mad and ready to kill people, them a beg for help and a throw in towel. Last night as a man doing songs, so a man sang no release 5 minutes. Yati Bass dey on live, I can't talk about the song now. Everybody excited over the song and love the song and I review the song and I talk the truth. And Yati Bass begs over it. But me I go see when Tamili throw in the towel. If you throw in the towel now, Jamila go deal with Tamili like when Drunkra and Nyam up dead dog down in Jamaica. Like when you see the tribe come out. Jamila go broke up every bone in a Tamili body. This a tune we attack pan Tamili right now. It worse than the last accident when men get in and broke up there. Jamil go and give you some bumbleclaw lick. Family, my youth, you hear me a warn you, hear me a tell you. Me already predict this already. You get me? Me not have to play the music. Everybody already listening. Every word nice song. We do out. Mr. T, I write that. That the song there, me write it. Every word with Jamin sing on that song there. Every word of them in my review. And the last time when Sean Kingston I rub him down and the other day me do the video and I said, Sean Kingston, when you took up the youth career do with it, when you flap the youth suffer. Youth now tour, youth now make no money. What you do with the youth? When somebody else could have find time for the youth. But anyway, big up to all of the people that my Jamie surprise them. Me know that for a long time I predict this. I will write them song there for London around a backstage. VIP. Write them lyrics there. Me say when me say Jamil, remember if you tell the boy say Sean Kingston did I rub him down. I mean look up on me like this. When we hear that song, the blood clot, I hear dogs about cut out the tattoo them. Yeah man. So anyway, AK Mr. T. Big up to all of my fans and my thugs them. MVP for life.